Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the microphone icon. Uh, so basically how you can record in Notability. As you already know, you will use microphone icon located in the top toolbar. This feature is unique because it syncs your recording with your handwriting in real time. So tap the microphone icon right here. Uh, The icon will change to show a timer and a waveform indicating it is active. So I will allow right here. And now, as you can see, we have here timing. It works. So to stop this, you tap the trimmer waveform area again to end the recording. So I will tap right here. And just like that, I ended the recording. So let's try again. We place it here. And now, as you can see, this is working right here. Recordings. All right. Now, the most powerful part of Notabilities is recording feature. So uh, to play it, we will tap the um, downward arrow next to the microphone, just like that. We have recording 1 right here, and here we have some options for playback settings. As the audio plays, your handwriting will appear faded and then fill in exactly when you wrote it during the recording. Sorry. Playback speed and so on. Okay, and that's basically it. You can also edit it. We can also delete it here, edit chip. So yeah, we can, I will delete it now that I show you this one here, delete. And now we have deleted our recording. Now again, here at the bottom right corner, you see record now. So if you tap that, it will start recording again. And when you are finished with that, just hit here where you see this red moving so that you stop the recording. Now to the play again, you click that and you play what you have said. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.